Hello everyone, this is Yvonne here. I'm so excited because although today is my birthday, I am now in the big 2-0. But here I am working with Angel Arts Productions on a series called I Belong, which is also working along with Zviri Mudzimba, although they are two different things. But I'm so excited, and I'm just here to tell a young lady out there that no matter what, keep going for your dreams. Keep aiming for them, because you never know where it will take you. Lots of love from Angel Arts Productions.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.